Uniswap may experience a 3.7% loss tomorrow, Traders Union projects. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. Uniswap has moved up 4.5% in the last day and is currently near $3.854. Let's scan the expert predictions today. CoinLore believes the price could be at $3.87 by July 24, which is nearly 0.4% higher. Uniswap might retreat to $3.85, according to CoinPrice forecast, a decrease near 0.1%. CoinCodex points out it could drift down to $3.774, a projected decline close to 2.1%. A separate projection from Traders Union highlights Uniswap may move lower to $3.712, an estimated decrease of 3.7%. And in closing, Gulf Capital Collector sees the price dipping to $3.603 by July 24, 6.5% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a decrease of 6.5% to a rise of 0.4%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Gulf Capital Collector shows the highest projected return with 6.5% gain in value by July 24. In short, you could earn between $1 and $65 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, CoinPrice forecast ranks highest with a 95.6% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Consensus modeling shows Uniswap trending downward by roughly 2.4%. Let's walk through the details. The consensus scenario sets the price 2.4% below where it is now. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 2.4% in step with that change. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $24 of upside. According to the consensus view, the scenario has an 87.3% likelihood of taking shape. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. CoinLore describes the near-term outlook as bullish. CoinPrice forecast expects only slight fluctuations. CoinCodex anticipates Uniswap heading south. Meanwhile, Traders Union signals weakness, pointing to a fall. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector expects downward momentum to persist. The consensus points to Uniswap trading below current levels during this horizon. So, 60% of analysts anticipate Uniswap will face downside pressure in the coming 3 days. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $3.781. Out of 5, only 2 analysts forecast the move correctly. If we focus on accuracy, the top spot goes to CoinLore. Let's put all the pieces in place. Yesterday's candle included 3 forecasts. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, topped by CoinLore at 1.6%. And now, the recap is on screen. All forecast outcomes together. CoinLore had accuracy, 91.9% forecast probability, and 1.6% ROI. Can you spot the forecasts that held up best? Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Uniswap stands. Tomorrow's outlook places Uniswap ahead of all others, with 2.4% in potential return. In this section, Uniswap is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. That's it, guys. Subscribe now to follow the next set of market predictions. Talk soon!